What, when you were talking about that, I was thinking about myself. I think I'm the same way too, because I was trying to grow and scale. I just figure like I wanted to be everywhere, wanted to be top of everything. It's very hard to let go. So share with me, how can we do that?
Well, it is hard to let go. And part of it is, it's your baby. Particularly if you start the business, you know everything about it. I mean,
Mhm.
you eat, sleep, and drink your business, and that's good when you first start out because you have to kind of do that. Unless you just have an excessive amount of funding, you have to really touch everything, do everything. But as the business begins to grow, what you find is you can't keep up with it. You've got to be willing to let go. I find three common traits with most business owners. The first one is most of them are really, really just too busy. They're doing way, way too many things. When I begin working with business owners, one of the first things I do is I say, do you have an org chart, organizational chart? Some of them do, some of them don't.